Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am Soumen Chatterjee and today I shall talk with you about heroic couplet. In an earlier video I have talked with you about blank verse and here is another video on heroic couplet. Now what is heroic couplet? Firstly, what is couplet? Couplet refers to two lines that rhyme in pairs. And what is heroic couplet? Heroic couplet refers to iambic pentameter lines that rhyme in pairs. And why this is called heroic? Because this type of couplets are used to treat heroic themes. Now, coming to an example of heroic couplet, we will present the example by John Dryden. All human things are subjects to decay, and when fate summons, monarchs must obey. And if we scrutinize these two lines, what we find that each line has 5 feet. In the first line, all and hue, these two syllables make the first foot. Then man and things, they make the second foot. Then R and sub make the third foot. Jects and to make the fourth foot. D and K make the fifth and last foot. So this is written in pentameter foot. And in each and every foot, what we find that in the first foot, the syllable hue is stressed. In the second foot, things is stressed. In the third foot, sub is stressed. In the fourth foot, to is stressed. In the fifth foot, K is stressed. And coming to the next line, what we find that and when make the first foot, faith and some make the second foot, mons and mon make the third foot, nux and must make the fourth foot, O and bay make the last and final foot. And in each foot, the second syllable is stressed. So, the two lines are written in iambic pentameter. And they rhyme in pairs, K and bay, A. K, bay. So the sound is same. So they rhyme in pairs. So these two lines are iambic pentameter lines and they rhyme in pairs. So this is the example of heroic couplet. And now I shall discuss with you about some salient features about heroic couplet. Firstly, heroic couplet, as I mentioned earlier in the first slide, is specially used to treat heroic themes. Themes of gallantry, themes of war. Secondly, the origins of heroic couplet are uncertain. It is yet to know who first used it and in which country it was developed. But in English literature, it was first used by Geoffrey Chaucer. Actually, Geoffrey Chaucer is credited with the use of heroic couplet for the first time in English literature. But it was in the 18th century, in the deft hands of Dryden and Pope, that heroic couplet became so much popular. Actually, Dryden and Pope are the poets who perfected heroic couplet and utilized its possibilities to the maximum level. One might say that Dryden was the farrier and artificer who wrought it into shape, and Pope was the silversmith who, with elegance, wit, and subtlety, polished and refined heroic couplet to perfection. Dryden actually made the heroic couplet a flexible, robust, resonant instrument for his satire. On the other hand, Pope is more nimble, acrobatic, and elusive. He is more like a spiky and chucking magician whose wit glitters sardonically. But in the modern age, what is the use of heroic couplet? In the modern age of modernity that revolts against established traditions, heroic couplet is rarely used in modern poetry. And as far as the kinds of heroic couplet or the types of heroic couplet are concerned, there are two types of heroic couplet. Firstly, open heroic couplet, and second, closed heroic couplet. In the open heroic couplet, the thought is not finished in the first line. It is continued till the couplet is closed. And in the closed heroic couplet, each line has separate thought. The thought of the first line is clearly different from the thought of the second line. So the thought of the first line is closed when the first line of the couplet ends. This is the closed heroic couplet. Now students and friends, this is all about heroic couplet in a nutshell. I think you like this video, and if you enjoy it and like it, kindly subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Thank you.